Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is mushroom soup recipe. It is creamy mushroom recipe with mixed beans and grains. It's super healthy and super delicious. My two boys surprisingly love their bowls, so it's a win-win. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Into your Instant Pot bowl, pour 1 liter of broth and mixed beans and rice, and some bay leaves, some thyme. Now we also gonna add some onion powder. You can do this on stovetop, but we are doing it using Instant Pot. There you go, our onion powder in. Season it with chicken liquid, concentrated chicken liquid. This is basically like bouillon. About 3 heaping tablespoons or to taste. Add another half liter of broth and give another stir. Now just drop in all sorts of mushroom you use. I am using regular button mushroom, the brown one, and some of oyster mushroom as well. You can trim the bottom, but definitely you want to rinse them first. You can leave the mushroom whole, especially the button mushroom, or you can dice them, slice them, half them, it's up to you, but we like making it whole because my youngest is a bit fussy when it comes to mushroom. When it's diced, sliced, he knows right away, this is mushroom, I don't like it. He likes it when it's half or whole mushroom. Top the pan with your lid, the Instant Pot, or place the bowl into Instant Pot and then top it with the lid. And then you want to choose soup option, and we're gonna try to boil it or cook it for half hour, and then we're gonna release the pressure, and then we gonna continue from there, adding more ingredient. After 30 minutes, release the steam, take off the lid. Now let's add cream mushroom. Two cans of cream mushroom, then mix it, and we also gonna add some garlic powder. My son in the back is yelling like crazy. Then adjust the flavoring, and then we gonna cook it again until it starts to boil. And your mushroom soup is ready.